We want to connect a fan with the light kit. So, well, first of all, I want to say that you should turn off the electricity at the breaker box. If you look at the wires that come out of the fan motor here, there's a white one, a black one, and then a blue one and a green one. The blue one says for light kit connection. From the house, there's a wire with a black, white, red, and one that's just copper without any covering on it. So black wire is usually the live wire. So let's connect the black wire together. You can use one of these ties here. Then let's connect the white wire together. Another tie here. Another, whatever you call it, electrical nut, wire nut. The blue and the red, the light kit, the red wire is for the light kit, basically. So, wrap these two together. You could use electrical pliers if you want. Screw on this wire connector nut. We're left with the green wire and the plain copper wire that doesn't have any plastic shielding covering. Wrap these two together. You could use electrical pliers if you want. Screw on this wire connector nut. Make sure that the wires are in there good. We could also just temporarily connect this light. Make sure we can test it all. I'm just going to leave it right there. This is going to be temporary, so you wouldn't want to put too much strain on this connector, but I think it can handle it. So now the thing to do is go ahead and test it out. Provide some juice to this from the house. So I'm going to go to the breaker box and turn on the breaker. Here I am at my breaker box. It's nighttime. Turn it back on, that 15 amp right there. All right, let's go test it out. Now I'm back in the house, and here is our connected light and fan. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these for the light, and the light turned on. And the little other one is for the fan. If you look closely, it's spinning. So I've been just painting this room and redoing everything, so I have the fan blades there. There you have the wires. The white wire is pretty simple. It goes to the white, black to black, blue to the red, green to the exposed copper wire. And here it is, fan and lights. Top switch controls the lights, whoop, and lower switch controls the fan, which is starting to slow down. Thanks for watching.